So if you're having trouble doing any of the standing shoulder exercises, these are 2 exercises you can do while sitting. So you're going to place the hand on a table while you're sitting, take it out of the sling, and you're going to lean forward with your body. Your arm is not doing any of the work, your body is. And then you're going to slowly sit back up and lean forward with your body. Now when you get to the end range, or as far as you can go, you can let it sit there for 5 to 10 seconds and come back up. Now you can also angle your body just to get some more motion. And again, lean forward in that chair, hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, and let your body bring that arm back by sitting up straight. Lean forward, hold, and sit up straight.